Hello, everybody, and welcome to your online learning project for the next couple of days while you're at home. What we're going to be doing is we've started looking at the 7 sources of income, and we already talked about in class what earned income is. We know that's money you get from a job, and then profit income is money you make from selling things. And then we're going to continue to work with compound interest while you're at home. But what we're going to start on today is what we call the dividend income, which is the money earned from stock dividends. And so stock dividends are very similar to compound interest in that when you earn dividends, you simply have them reinvested and they compound on each other. So that's one of the ways that you grow your money and obtain dividend income. All right. So in order to have dividend income, you have to invest in the stock market. So what we're going to start with today on Google Classroom, it's called Creating and Analyzing an Investment Portfolio. Now, like the instructions say, this is a multi-day project, okay? So in addition to checking Canvas, you need to complete whatever tasks are listed here for each day. Please note this is very important. You will submit this on February 25th, which is your first day back to school. I may move that to the 26th. I'll know that tomorrow. Do not submit each day as you complete a task, okay? That's one of the reasons I'm using Google Classroom is I can go in and see what you're doing on something a lot easier than I can with Canvas, all right? So I will just go in and see what you're doing each day. There's no need for you to submit this every day, okay? So first thing is here for Monday, day one, is to watch this video here about called Growing and Protecting Your Finances. Then watch this day one video, which you hopefully are watching after you've watched the Growing and Protecting Your Finances. And then we're going to talk about investing by sectors, okay? So how that works is there's a copy of the Google document here for you called Investing by Sectors. And then there's also an example here that I made. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to go through and build a portfolio of investments. So like I say up here in the instructions, it's best to invest your money across different sectors to balance your risks and rewards. And of course, you saw that in the video. And we call this diversifying. Okay, you want to diversify your investments. So what you need to do is use the description of each sector to complete the chart with companies. You only need one company for each sector. So like you see, these here are the 10 sectors that the United States economy is divided into. And I've provided you examples of different companies that are within those sectors. So what you need to do is using your Google search engine or another search engine of your choice, is to find companies that fit within these 10 different categories. And all you have to do is just like I did here on my example, is type the name of a company that fits within that sector. Okay, that is all that you need to do for today, in addition to the quizzes that was up on Canvas. And then tomorrow, we will begin to build the financial portfolio and do some investing of these different companies with a certain amount of money. All right, so email me if you have any questions. Thank you so much for doing your work while you're at home. I know that this is not optimal, always having to do a lot of this at home, but thank you for your diligence in doing it, and I really appreciate it as your teacher that you do the work that I assigned for you to do. So have a wonderful day, and I will have another quick video for you tomorrow with instructions for tomorrow's task.